Hello, today we are going to talk about theory. So let's talk about bar lines. These lines, which you can see in your music, we call bar lines. Basically, it divides music in measures. Measure number 1, measure number 2, and what you see here, these are bar lines. It divides music, right? So look, here in this piece we have 3/4. Our time signature is 3/4, which means that we have 3 beats in each measure. Let's count. 8 notes, we count like 1 and. So this is 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, right? In your homework, you had to put bar lines. So let's take a look on it. The first line, you have 3 quarter notes. You have 3 beats in it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What is your first note? We have to put bar lines. We have to find out where we have to put it. The first one is a half note. It takes 2 beats. Yes, 1, 2. And this is our quarter rest, which takes 1 beat. So it's 1, 2, and this one is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. We need a bar line. Here we have a quarter note which takes 1 beat. Here we have a rest. What kind of rest is this? Let's take a look. Here my rests. Is it at ninths? Look at this one. A quarter rest. Takes 1 count, 1 beat. You have no time to lay down and sleep. You can only do it really quick. 1, and you have to wake up. Number 2 is a half rest. So you can lay down and take a nap for a while, for 2 counts, for 2 beats. 1, 2. If you think about notes, here you would have, instead of quarter rest, we could have quarter note, right? So a quarter note. For example, G quarter note. Here, instead of playing half note, which is white inside and has a stem, we are resting. And the last one is a whole rest. Look how it's sleeping, because it has all 4 beats to sleep. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can take a good nap. So look here. Which one is that? It looks like whether it's a half or a whole. But look at this. Imagine this is the floor. And half rest sleeps on the floor. This one. It's on line, on the top of the line, middle line, compared to the whole rest, which is under the line, under the 4th line. So this is a half, which takes 2 beats, 1 and 2. So we have 1 plus 1 and 2 is 3. So it takes 2 beats, right? So 1, 2, 3, and that's it. Because we have only 3 quarter notes. 1, 2, 3. I need a bar line. The next is quarter, quarter, quarter. 1, 2, 3. We are done. Bar line. And the last is half, not, dot. which is 1, 2, and dot takes a half of a value of a half note, which is 1. So it's 1, 2, 3, and that's it. The second, number 2, you have 4 quarter notes. We have to have 4 counts in each measure, 4 beats. This we already know, half note takes 2 beats. The half rest takes 1 beat and 1 beat, because this is our quarter rest. Quarter rest, 1 beat, 1 beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We need a bar line. The next is, which one is that? It's the same with this one, right? So it's a half rest. It takes 2 beats. So I will put 1, 2. Then I have quarter note, which is 1 and 1. But we need to find out where to put bar line. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar line. Then another 4 we need. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we have a bar line. And the last is whole rest. That is the whole rest. Now let's put counts. 1, 2, and this one 3 and 4. So if I put from the beginning my counts, which you're supposed to do in your homework, it will be 1, 2, beat 3, beat 4. You have bar line. Beat 1 and 2 goes here. Then 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this, a whole, takes 1, 2, and 3, and 4. That's all.